Okay, welcome guys, and now I'm going to show you how to achieve zoom out effect, and we are going to do this with the help of masking effect. Yeah, there's a tool called masking. So I have some shot of rocket in front of me, and the next shot I have a television. Yeah, and this television shot is something which doesn't have a green screen on it. Okay, otherwise it would have been a different process. But I'll try to show you something that I did for last clip. Yeah, so we are trying to achieve something like this. Yeah, it's a zoom out from a shot of a rocket from reality to television. Yeah, so it's a transition, and it's very much used by a lot of editors. So I'm going to use this again. So let's try to do this. This might take some time than other tutorials. Yeah, because I need to explain few things. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing I should be doing is I'll just undo these keyframes. Yeah, so I have this shot. It is still shot. Okay, and you can't see the rocket shot which is under this. So what I need to do right now is add a mask over here. Let's do that. So I go to my effects browser, and I'm going to look for masks, and I'm going to look for shape mask, and I'm just going to drag and drop on this clip of television. So all I'm going to do is adjust to the television screen. You just have to play with this. Yeah, so it's quite done. So now the one issue is that I want my rocket shot to be inside this. So to turn this other way around, I have to go to my inspector over here, and I'm going to go to my shape mask which I added, and there's a box called invert mask. So I'm going to just tick this, and you can see the mask that we created has been inverted. Yeah, so you can see the rocket shot is being planted here, and you can keep on adjusting this from the shape mask over here. You can play with it. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave it as it is because I don't want to get into too much perfection right now. I just wanted to show you how to draw this mask. Okay, so now we are ready to add the zoom out effect. Yeah, so how are we going to do that? So we need to add zoom out keyframes to the television shot. Yeah, so we are on the first frame of the television shot, which is this one. Okay, and let's go to inspector here, and I'm going to scale like this completely, and I'm going to add a keyframe here. Okay, and then I'm going to add a keyframe here, and this is where I want the television to be visible and well established. Alright, so it has been animated. Yeah, the zoom out has been created. So yeah, it is as simple as this, guys. So yeah, let me just play this and let's check the magic of masking. So we still don't know that the TV is going to be revealed, and it gets revealed now. And this is a nice zoom out. Thank you so much. These tutorials are meant for beginners in video editing, not for advanced students. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you guys.